Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry Anandibai Ravrani Arts, Commerce and Science College Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are dealing with the one more important concept from organic chemistry as a chemistry of natural product. It is the first lecture of natural product chemistry. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss the introductory part of natural product, classification of natural product, selected synthesis of some selected natural products as well as applications of the natural product. It is a first lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the introductory part of natural product as well as general classification. See, number first, the introduction of natural product chemistry. What is mean by natural products? Natural products are products from various natural sources such as plants, animals or microorganisms. Means it is a simple organic molecules, chemical compounds which are extracted from, which are isolated from natural sources such as plants, animals or microorganisms is called as natural product. Natural products can be an entire organism, means it is plant, animals or microorganisms, or it is a part of organism, means leaves or flowers of plants, or isolated animal organ. An extract of an organism or part of organism or pure compound, means it is alkaloids, coumarins, flavonoids, lignans, steroids and terpenoids is isolated from plants, animals and microorganisms is called as natural product. And this natural product, it shows variety of applications in a variety of field. Most of the natural products finds extensive application in field of food industry, medicine, flavor, perfumery industry, plastic industry as well as paint industry. Means it shows very wide applications in different fields. These are the introductory part of natural product. Okay. Next one, see the history of natural product chemistry. In 18th century, at the end of 18th century, crude drugs were still being used as powder or simple extract, and the era of pure compounds in 18th century, the new era in the history of medicinal chemistry is arrived. Means in 18th century, these different types of drugs are isolated from different natural sources. See the number first, morphine, strychnine, nicotine, caffeine, quinine, atropine and cocaine. See the number first, morphine. Isolation of morphine from opium is also discovered in, is isolated in 18th century. Number second, strychnine is isolated in 1870, the structure of the strychnine molecule. Number third, quinine and caffeine is isolated in 1820, see the structure of this quinine and caffeine molecule. Then nicotine is isolated from tobacco in 1828, see the simple structure of this nicotine molecule is alkaloid molecule. Then atropine is discovered in 1833, it means it is isolated in 1833, and cocaine drug isolated in 1855. Okay, see these are the simple history of this natural product chemistry. Means in 18th century, these drugs, very important drugs, very important natural products are isolated. But in 19th century, the chemical structure of many isolated compounds were determined. Means in 18th century, the different natural products are isolated, and in 19th century the chemical structures of many of these isolated compounds were determined. In 20th century, the discovery of important drug from animal kingdom, particularly hormones and vitamins. In addition, microorganisms have become a very important source of drugs in 20th century. Means in 20th century, these hormones and vitamins are discovered, as well as this microorganism, it plays very important role. Means this microorganism have become a very important source of the drugs. Means many of the drugs isolated from this microorganism in 20th century. See, the compounds from natural sources play significant role in modern medicinal chemistry. Number first, they provide a number of extremely useful drugs that are difficult, if not possible, to produce commercially by synthetic method, means synthetic route. Number second, natural sources also supply basic compounds that may be modified slightly to render them more effective or less toxic. Means these natural sources also supply, means some of the products are isolated from natural sources and modified, slightly modified, then it becomes more effective or less toxic. And number third, their utility as prototypes or models for synthetic drugs possessing physiologic activities similar to the original molecules. Means, see, these are the two structures, ibuprofen molecule and aspirin based on the structure and biological activities of this natural product. These two molecules are discovered in 20th century. These are the representative examples. Ibuprofen molecule and is a number second is a aspirin molecule. Okay, these are the simple history of natural product chemistry. The next one is a classification of natural product. Basically, the natural products are classified into different types, but the basic types of this natural product, number first is a terpenes, number second is alkaloids, number third is hormones, number fourth is a carbohydrate, and number five is a protein molecule. Let's see one by one. Number first, the terpenoids molecule. See the introductory part of this terpenoid molecule. It is obtained from plant sources. Means the main source of this terpene molecule is a plant. Means it is obtained from, it is isolated from plants. They are natural product derivative of an unsaturated hydrocarbon called as isoprene. Means it's a derivative of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and this hydrocarbon is isoprene unit, and the general formula of this isoprene unit is C5H8. Means this is a number of 5 carbon, number of carbon is a 5 carbon, number of hydrogen is 8 carbon, is unsaturated hydrocarbon, is a basic unit of this terpenoid molecule, and this unit is called as isoprene unit. See the structure of this isoprene: CH double bond C, CH double bond CH2, and this carbon is substituted by methyl group. So the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbon, number of hydrogen 2 plus 3, 5, 6, and this 2, 8 carbon. Means it is an unsaturated molecule. Unsaturated means in this isoprene there is a 2 double bonds. It is the first double bond, second double bond, and these are the basic unit of these terpenoid molecules. Okay. See, it is also called as isoprenoid because they are composed of many isoprene unit. Means many isoprene unit joined together to each other, it gives finally terpenoid molecule. That's why this terpenoids is also called as isoprenoid. Okay. The next one is a classification of terpenoid molecule. The classification of terpenoids is based on the number of isoprene units. See, the molecule containing terpenoid molecules containing 2 isoprene unit, this 2 C5H8 is an isoprene unit. Then types of terpenoids, general formula of these terpenoids, and some selected examples. See, number first, if the molecule containing 2 isoprene unit is called as monoterpenoid, having general formula is a C10H16, and is a citral alpha terpene, alpha quinine, and camphor molecule. Okay. Number second, if there is a 3 isoprene unit is called as sesquiterpenide, having general formula is a C15H24, and is the best example is a farnesol and farnesol. Okay. Then number third, if there is a 4 isoprene unit is called as diterpenoid molecule, having general formula is a C20H32, and its example is a phytol and abitic acid. Number 4, if there is a 5 isoprene unit is called as sester terpenoid, having general formula is a C25H40, and is a best example is gascarlic acid. The next one is if there is a 6 isoprene unit is called as a triterpenoid, having general formula is a C30H48, and the best example is a squalene molecule. Okay, the squalene is a natural terpenoid molecule. Then if there is a 8 isoprene unit is called as tetraterpenoid, having general formula is a C14H64, and the best example is a carotenoid. Okay, and the last one, if there is a n number of isoprene unit is called as polyterpenoid, having general formula is a C5H bracket n, means there is a n number of isoprene unit, and the best example is a natural rubber. Means the terpenoids molecules are classified on the basis of number of isoprene unit. Next one is the structural characteristics of terpenoid molecule. There is a basically 3 rules. Number first rule is isoprene rule, number second is a special isoprene rule, and number third is a geminal dialkyl rule. Let's see one by one. Number first is isoprene rule. Most of the terpenes on strong heating gives isoprene product. This indicate that terpene molecule is built up from the isoprene molecule. By considering this, scientist Wallace suggested that carbon skeleton of all natural terpenoids can be built up of from isoprene unit. Means when the terpene molecules under strong heating condition, it gives isoprene product. It is concluded that all terpene molecules they contain basic isoprene unit. Means the scientist Wallace suggested that the carbon skeleton of all natural terpenoids can be built up from the isoprene unit. These are the number first rule. Okay, then number second is a special isoprene rule. This special isoprene rule is based on the joining of these two isoprene unit. Okay, see, the scientist Ingold pointed that the isoprene unit and terpenes are linked together for this purpose. The branched unit is called as head and other end is called as tail. Means in isoprene unit, the branched end is called as head and this other end is called as tail. According to this rule, isoprene units are attracted together in head and tail manner. See, these two isoprene units are joined together in head and tail manner. This branched end is called as head and this other end is called as tail. Means this number first molecule is head and tail, again head and tail. Means according to second rule, special isoprene rule, these two isoprene units are joined together in head and tail attachment. Okay. See, number third is a geminal dialkyl rule. If two alkyl groups are attached to same carbon atom is called as geminal dialkyl group on the ring carbon atom affects the stability of this ring. This rule helps to find out the carbon skeleton of this cyclic terpenoid. Means either this terpenoid molecule is monocyclic or bicyclic. In monocyclic terpenoid, this dimethyl group is outside the ring, but in case of this bicyclic terpenoid molecule, this dimethyl group is inside the ring. These are the basic classification. Means based on this rule we can find out this cyclic terpenoids, either this terpenoid molecule is a monocyclic or bicyclic. Okay, these are the number third rule. The next one, examples, number first, citral. It is present in lemongrass oil. The lemongrass oil is obtained by steam distillation of lemon. See the structure of this citral molecule. Number second example is alpha terpenol, is obtained from is a cardamom oil by steam distillation. See the structure of this alpha terpenol, this methyl group, OH and methyl group, these are the isoprene unit. Okay, then number third is alpha pinene. It is obtained from pine tree by steam distillation. See the structure of this alpha pinene molecule. It is a inside methyl group is a bicyclic terpenoid molecule. Again methyl group is the structure of this alpha pinene molecule. And number 4, camphor. It is obtained from camphor trees. Wood and leaves of camphor trees are boiled with water. See the structure of this camphor molecule. Sesame is isolated from the camphor trees, means woods and leaves of this camphor tree are boiled in water. These are the some selected examples of the terpenoid molecule. Thank you very much.